Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make card tricks using an easy method. We'll explore 3 fundamental illusions perfect for beginners. You'll learn basic sleight of hand techniques that are simple to grasp with a little practice. By the end, you'll be able to impress your friends and family with these clever and engaging card illusions. Get ready to discover the secrets behind some truly magical moments. First, let's master the ambitious card trick, where a chosen card magically rises to the top of the deck multiple times. The core technique here is a simple double lift, making 2 cards appear as one. Practice this move until it feels completely natural and smooth in your hands. With a bit of dedication, you'll perform this classic illusion flawlessly, leaving your audience amazed. Next, we'll tackle the vanishing card, making a card disappear right before your audience's eyes. This trick often employs a palm or a thumb fan to conceal the card. The real secret, however, lies in effective misdirection. Guide your audience's attention away from the actual move, and the card will seem to vanish into thin air, creating a truly magical moment. Finally, let's learn to produce all 4 aces from a seemingly shuffled deck. This impressive feat often involves a cull or stack method to discreetly position the aces. The presentation is crucial. Reveal the aces dramatically for maximum impact. With practice, you can perform this powerful trick, showcasing your newfound card manipulation skills and leaving a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.